From fire extinguisher to muffler. A while ago I got this project. It's broken, obviously. We need to fix that. But also the exhaust is missing, or at least the muffler. I have only this pipe. So let's make one from this, a fire extinguisher. This thing is sitting here for maybe 20 or 30 years, so it will not stop any fires anymore. No more pressure. But it will be good for a nice muffler. Here I have the perforated pipes, one for the inlet, one for the outlet. Those go inside. Let's first empty this. For the rear end, we just open this hole a bit with this one, so the pipe can go inside. Same for the other end, make a hole there, so we have 2 holes, and then finished. Easy job. Now let's remove the old paint before it will burn off, and then we put some heat resistant paint. The noise from the engine will travel through this pipe to the perforated holes into the cylinder, where the sound will be scattered. To mute things a bit more, I got those steel wool patches that we will also place inside the box. And then the gases can travel outside through this pipe. Hopefully that will give a really good exhaust sound. Now the last step, we will apply heat resistant paint. To test our newly made muffler, we had to get this thing to work. The boys I bought it from broke the spark plug in the cylinder wall, and also the carburetor was not working anymore, even after cleaning. So I just replaced the carburetor, removed the spark plug from the cylinder, and it's working again. But it's very noisy without exhaust. I will start it up to show you, and then we have a before and after. So noisy. Yeah, we first have to put the exhaust system. That's it. I'm super happy with the result. Sometimes it can be nice to reuse or repurpose objects. As you can see, it is a very nice muffler. So now I can finish up this machine. I will probably show that in the next video, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe. But first, let's have some fun.